Hi everyone, it's Michelle with Itzy Ritzy. Today is Thursday, June 28th, and Itzy Ritzy is having a pop-up event at Naperville Settlement. We're showcasing some of our brand new products and we're so excited to show you guys. We're going to be having contests, raffles, and not to mention professional hair and makeup artists. In addition to that, we're going to be having Alicia's Photography doing professional mini photo shoots for our model mamas. So with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and here's a quick recap of our day.
Hello, and I'm feeling fly. It's not with the sunny sky. We laugh out like every night. We can do what we want to. We roll with the windows down. Meet up with the boys in town. We go out around and around, young and free, no place to be. Hey, we go where we want to. Hey, it's right when it's our crew. Hey, we play it like our rules. It's our life. We go on every night, stay up till the sunlight. Tick tock, taking our time. It's alright, alright. Turn on, kick it and drive. Can't stop living so high. It's the time of our life. It's alright, alright. Lay out in the beachy air. Forget every single care. Breathe in and let down your hair. Live and play like every day. We got what we need right here. We're tight and that's crystal clear. We get it right every
My best mom tip is snacks. Always have snacks.
My best mom tip is hands-free backpack diaper bag from Itzy Ritzy.
My best dad tip is to use the milk boss. It helps me get through those late nights with this little one, and it's a great product.
Just be with your kids as often as you can, even as they get older. My best mom tip is to always have snacks on you.
So far, I would say to enjoy the little moments.
Hey guys, I'm Barbara. I'm the Marketing and Communications Associate at Itzy Ritzy. So I do a lot of our social media work. I send some of our emails if you're on our newsletter list. All of those emails come from me, so nice to meet you. I helped organize this amazing event. It's almost closing time and it was such a great day. We're so excited about all the content that we got. Really quick, I'll give you a flash of one of our favorite new releases. That's a mini diaper bag. And that's all you get.
Hi guys, I'm Kellie Douglas. My husband Brian and I own Itzy Ritzy, and we're super excited about this event today, Itzy Ritzy IRL, Itzy Ritzy in real life, where we're photographing real moms and dads and their new babies and their toddlers, and everyone's having a blast. So nice to meet the real moms and dads that are rocking Itzy Ritzy gear. I'm so inspired by them, and I love all our new products that are coming out, and excited to share some sneak peeks and then some pictures of the new products and all of our real moms and dads like you. Thanks for tuning in.
I think it's fun to help out at work events like so, and I also think it's fun to go to the office and see new hires or interns and whatnot, and just almost become a relationship and help almost in the business.